Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're starting right away. Confirm your Technics model and available inputs so you choose the correct path. Plug a 3.5 to RCA cable into your phone's headphone jack or attach a Bluetooth transmitter to the RCA inputs. If your phone lacks a jack, use a USB-C/Lightning adapter. Once done, make sure the Technics input selector is set to AUX or line. If there's native Bluetooth, set it to pairing mode. These steps prepare the hardware and let you move to pairing or cable audio routing. Now execute the actual connection. For wired connections, insert the RCA plugs firmly into the matching L and R jacks and set phone volume around 50% to avoid clipping. Then slowly raise stereo volume while playing a test tone. For Bluetooth, enable pairing on the Technics and select that device in your phone's Bluetooth menu. If asked, confirm a PIN. Make sure the phone's audio output is set to the connected device and disable any phone EQ or DSP to preserve clean sound for accurate levels. Finish by fine-tuning levels and listening critically. Use the Technics volume and balance controls to center the image, then adjust bass and treble to taste. If you need synced audio for video, choose the wired connection because Bluetooth commonly introduces 100 to 250 milliseconds of delay. Once everything sounds right, save any input or pairing settings if available. If you run into silence, first check cables and the input selector, then verify the phone's output device. Restarting both devices often clears lingering faults.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.